Common LGBTQ plus divorce questions in the Bronx, New York. When a same-sex marriage ends in the Bronx, the legal questions that arise can be far more complex than most couples anticipate, touching on years of shared life that the law once refused to recognize. New York governs same-sex divorce under the exact same statutes as any other divorce. Yet LGBTQ plus couples frequently encounter unique challenges rooted in the years before marriage equality became the law of the land. One of the most significant complications involves the legal marriage date. Because New York legalized same-sex marriage in 2011, and the U.S. Supreme Court extended it nationwide in 2015, leaving many couples with years of shared assets that may be classified as separate property. Couples who built homes, businesses, and financial lives together before they could legally marry may find that those premarital contributions do not automatically translate into marital property rights under New York's Equitable distribution framework. Prior civil unions and domestic partnerships add another layer of complexity, since these earlier relationships do not automatically shift the legal marriage date and may require a completely separate dissolution proceeding. Non-biological parentage is another area where LGBTQ plus divorces frequently require careful legal attention, as establishing who is legally recognized as a parent can directly shape custody outcomes when only one spouse is biologically related to the child. New York recognizes every valid same-sex marriage for divorce purposes, whether performed in New York, another state, or abroad, as long as the marriage was legally valid where it took place. Spousal maintenance is available in same-sex divorces on the same terms as any other New York divorce, though the shortened official marriage period can affect the length and amount of any maintenance award. Thorough documentation, including deeds, mortgage records, account statements, and business records, can be decisive in tracing separate property and establishing each partner's contributions made during the legal marriage. A skilled attorney who understands both New York divorce law and the specific complexities facing LGBTQ plus families can make a meaningful difference in how these cases are resolved. At this law firm, Bronx same-sex divorce lawyer Juan Luciano works closely with LGBTQ plus clients on property division, maintenance, custody, parentage, and every related family law matter that arises in their cases. If you are navigating a same-sex divorce and have questions about your rights, contact Juan Luciano Divorce Lawyer, Bronx, located at 187 East 163rd Street, Bronx, New York 10451, United States, by calling 718-519-8336 to discuss your situation with a dedicated law firm that understands your family's unique circumstances.